Good morning, folks. I am Himanshu Dusani, and today we are continuing our previous chapter, triangles. Yesterday we have seen what is similarity of the triangles and BPT theorem, which is basic proportionality theorem. Today we will be continuing the question based on that BPT theorem. So I am taking the question number 3 of exercise 6.2. Question says that in the given figure, this is question number 3, exercise 6.2. In the given figure, I am drawing the figure on board. In the given figure, LM is parallel to CB. Given that LM is parallel to CB, and second, LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. We have to prove that prove that AM by AB is equal to AN upon AD. So we have to prove AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Now, proof. First we are taking the triangle. In triangle ACB, in triangle ACB, LM is parallel to BC. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, we can write AM upon MB is equal to AL upon LC. This is first. Now we are taking the triangle ACD. Now in triangle ACD, in triangle ACD, AN upon ND is equal to AL upon LC. This is second. Now by first and second we can see that the LHS of both the equation are equal. Therefore RHS will be equal. AM upon MB by 1 and 2 by 1 and 2. AM upon MB is equal to AL upon ND. Taking the inverse of this equation, or we can say reciprocal, taking the reciprocal of this will be MB upon AM is equal to ND upon AN. Now adding one both the side, adding one both the sides, MB upon AM plus 1 is equal to ND upon AN plus 1. Cross multiplying, MB plus AM upon AM is equal to ND plus AN upon AN. MB plus AM. MB plus AM is AB. AB upon AM. ND plus AN. ND plus AN is AD. AD upon AN. Now taking the reciprocals once again. We'll get AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. So this is the required thing which we have to prove by the method. In this we have used the BPT theorem for solving the question. Now let us move to the next question. Now we are taking question number 5 from the same exercise. In the question, the figure is given to us. This is question number 5 of exercise 6.2. We are given with the triangle PQR. PQR we are having O, here we are having E, F, and here we are having D. Now question says that in the given figure DE is parallel to OQ. Given DE is parallel to OQ. And DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR. Show that we have to prove EF is parallel to QR. Proof. First we are taking the triangle POQ. Triangle POQ. In triangle POQ we are given with DE is parallel to OQ. So we can apply the BPT theorem over here. By BPT theorem we can write PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. This is equation number 1. Now we are taking the triangle POR. In triangle POR, this is POR. DF is parallel to OR. By BPT theorem, we can write that PD upon में DO is equal to PF upon FR. This is equation second. Now PD upon DO and PD upon DO is common in both equation 1 and equation 2 by 1 and 2. PE upon EQ, PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR. This is third. Now in triangle PQR by third, if PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR, then by inverse of BPT theorem, we can say that EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. What is inverse of BPT theorem? Inverse of BPT theorem says that if in a triangle a line is dividing the opposite side and the ratio of the opposite side are equal, then the line which is dividing the opposite side is parallel to the third side. This is inverse of BPT theorem. So in this manner we have to solve the question based on BPT theorem and inverse of BPT theorem. Let us move to the next question of the topic. Next question is question number 9 from the same exercise, exercise 6.2. Question number 9. Question says that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at point O. Show that AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. So what we have given with here, one trapezium is given to us. This is the trapezium ABCD. ABCD. ABCD trapezium is given. We are joining this D and B diagonals. Construction is done. E, O, F. We are given with the trapezium ABCD. We are writing the given over here. Given trapezium ABCD in which AB is parallel to DC, AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect at point O. Diagonals are AC intersect BD at O. Diagonals intersect at point O. To prove
to prove. What we have to prove? We have to prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This is we have to prove.
Now construction. Construction is we are making EF parallel to DC and parallel to AB, passing through point O. Now this is the construction. Now proof. Proof is we are taking first the triangle ACD. Triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, here we are having EO is parallel to DC. So by BPT theorem, we can write that AE upon ED is equal to AO upon CO. AO upon CO. Similarly, we are taking this as first. Now we are taking the triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, this FO is parallel to DC. FO is parallel to DC. By BPT theorem, we can write BF upon FC is equal to BO upon DO. Now writing this is second. Now by construction that we have made EF parallel to DC, therefore by construction this EF is the mid passing from the midpoint O, therefore AE upon ED is equal to BC or BF upon CF. By construction, we can say that AE upon ED is equal to BF upon CF. This is third. Now we can see that if LHS of the first and second are equal, then RHS will also be equal. By 1 and 2, we can write AO upon CO is equal to BO upon DO. Now interchanging the place of these two, AO upon BO is equal to CO upon DO. This is what we have to prove, which we proved. So I hope you got the idea how we have to solve this. Now let us move to the theorem 6.3.
Theorem 6.3 says that if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence the two triangles are similar. Let us see the proof of this theorem. Now, theorem is based on, this is theorem 6.3 NCERT. Theorem is based on A similarity, or we can say angle similarity, angle similarity. We are given with the two triangles. We are given with the two triangle, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. What is given? Given is angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. These three angles we have given. What we are construction? Construction is that we are drawing one line parallel to EF. We are drawing a line parallel to EF, measuring equal to BC. Name as PQ. Construction is PQ is parallel to EF and PQ is equal to BC. This is the construction. Now proof. In this we have given that first we are taking the two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. AB angle A is equal to angle D. Now AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. By SAS congruency, side angle side congruency, we can write that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle P and angle C is equal to angle Q. Now, in triangle, this is by CPCT. In triangle DEF by BPT theorem,
by VPD theorem, we can say that dP upon PE is equal to dQ upon FQ. Similarly, we can replace this by AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. So the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, ratio of the sides are equal. We have proved that the ratio of the side AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. So by this we can say that the two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and this is by AAA similarity. So in this manner we have to solve for AAA similarity. Let us see the question based on this topic. Question is from exercise 6.3. Question number 3. Question says that diagonal AC and BD of the trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criteria for the two triangles, show that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Now we have given, this is question number 3 of exercise 6.3. We have given with the trapezium. Trapezium is given to us. Trapezium A, B, C, D, in which AC and BD of the are the diagonals. AC and BD. This is AC and this is BD are the diagonals. AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. This is given to us. And AC and DB are diagonals. Next, what is given? Each other at point O. Using the similarity criteria for the triangle, show that. We have to show, to prove, OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. This is we have to prove. Now constructing a trapezium ABCD such that AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal AC and BD with intersecting at point O. Now in triangle OCD and OAB, in triangle OCD and triangle OAB, we are taking two triangle. Proof. In triangle OCD and triangle OAB, angle O is equal to O vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angles,
angle 1,
this is angle 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, alternate interior angles, alternate interior angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4, same alternate interior angles. By AAA similarity criteria, by AAA similarity criteria, we can write that triangle OCD is similar to triangle OAB. Therefore, OA by OC is equal to OD or OB by OD. If the two triangles are similar, then their sides will be in proportion. Means OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. This is we have to prove. I hope you got the idea how we can solve the problems with BPT theorem, inverse of BPT theorem and AAA similarity criteria. We will be continuing our lecture tomorrow. Thank you.